welcome back to my channel. My name is Labono and my channel is The Exceptional Ordinary Girl. So as you can see here today, we have a box. So we are going to do some unboxing of this laptop that we just recently bought and it came yesterday. So can't wait to open it. Okay, so as long as we're doing the unboxing, I'm also going to share some tips and some tricks to like how to pay less when you are going to buy a laptop. Yeah, so I hope that it will be helpful for you as well. This laptop was originally like 3,000 Australian dollars. You won't believe, but we have spent only $1,600. So yeah, I'm going to share some tips like how to do that, and also I will put some links on the description box down below so that you can avail that offers as well. Now this is not any like paid promotional video because I'm still very new and no one is gonna pay me to do a promotional video. So yeah, it's just we needed this laptop for my husband's studies and we were thinking to buy one for like long time. The old one that I had is from like 2014. That's very old. So yeah, let's open it then. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut that. What's in there? Okay, so that's the adapter, that's the power cable, oh, that's just the thing. And that's the pen, like a nice cute little box for the pen. And I'm gonna show you something cool here about this cable adapter. So this has this cool little holding place, like you can the cable you can organize and it will be there, like organized, you know, when we open it, and then we can never put that back with other cables. But this one you can always like organize it and then put it in your backpack, or yeah, so that one I really liked this feature. Okay, and now the pen. Okay, let's see. I need to open that. Okay, look at this. Alright, so this actually looks like a real pen. Like look at the tip, but it reminds me of like an eyeliner. It would be, yeah, if like girls, if we ever have like an eyeliner, it would be very good like that. But okay, yeah, forget about eyeliners. So this pen can be connected via Bluetooth, and it has like this port where you can put that in the laptop so that you can put it in for charging. Alright, so now let's go for the laptop. Okay, that's good. They don't put like heaps of plastics in the box, and everything is recyclable. Okay, so now that's the laptop. Okay, so the only piece of plastic or like big plastic in this laptop box is this big package. Okay. Look at this. It is like, looks so good. It's like a tiny laptop, but yeah, it feels like, you know, like a tablet or something. So this is Dell Inspiron 13 7306 2-in-1 laptop. You can actually fold it to make it a tablet. So this is a 360-degree foldable device, and once it's done, like, you can make it back a laptop. This laptop is a Core i7 11th generation processor. It has 16 GB RAM and it has 500 gigabytes of storage. So that's the basic specs of this laptop. And it's touch screen, and the pen can be used as like touch and also for drawing and things like that. And it also has a space to keep the pen, and that's how you like charge it. And so when you close the laptop, it stays inside, so you won't even see, like, see, that's the pen. Yeah, which is like cool. Like, I always feel scared about these tiny things, like I'm like, oh, what if I lose it? So this way you will never lose the pen, it will always be inside. Great, so now I'll set it up in the background and I'll come back to show you some features of the laptop, right? Okay. So my setup is done. So now I'm gonna show you some specs of this laptop. So like how fast it is and what facilities it has. Okay, so this is Dell Inspiron 13 7306 2-in-1 laptop. So this can be used as a tablet as well. So I'll show you. This is 360-degree foldable device. So there you go. There's your tablet. Okay, so there's your tablet. And so when you use it as a tablet, the keyboard does not it is touch proof, so it will not like mess up your things that you're doing. Okay, and again, back when you're done with your tablet, you fold it back to a laptop. Yeah, and it has a little spot to keep your pen. So you see there's this magnet. You don't even have to be like sure how to put it in. So you just hold it there and it will go like that. And see, when you close the laptop, it stays in there. So when you're like going to uni or something, it's always there. Okay, and it's very compact. Like, can you see it? Like I can't say enough like how good it is. Okay, so I'll show you the port. So there's one of the micro SD card reader, one for the earphone, one USB port, and on the other side there's the USB-C charger and a HDMI port. Okay, so there's nothing else on that side. And okay, so when you open the laptop rises up, and there's like a little bit of space underneath, so that there's a bit of like airflow and the laptop will not get heat up. So it has facial recognition, and you can also open it with your pin, and you can also open with your fingerprints. So for today's demonstration, I'll open with my fingerprints, and look how fast it is. Like, it didn't even take a second. It's so fast. Okay, so let's try the pen, and we'll go for the paint. See how fast it opened. Yep. Okay, and we'll just go for the brush and just like a purple color. And with the pen, like, I'll show you how fast it goes. Like, okay, yeah, so let's go for something like bolder. So like before, our pens used to be like slow, but this one goes like, it will be so good to like take uni notes and things like that. Like, okay, when you're writing something, okay, I am like going to uni. Yeah, okay. Like, I'm not a good painter, but I would be doing this a lot. Okay, so let's go. No, not saving it. So now there is an option to actually connect your mobile with this laptop. So there's an app where you can just
connect the laptop, connect your mobile with your laptop. So whenever you have any calls or SMS, those will come to directly to this laptop. So there is an option to do that. Obviously, if you want, you can do it. Okay, so now I'm going to show quickly few of the websites where I got the deals. So this one is the official Dell website, and there's like plenty of these discounted laptops. The one we got was this 40% off. It was originally, yeah, so we got it like $1,798, but I got another discount later on. And now this one is quite good for the university students, the uni days website. You can, as you can see, there's like different categories of discounts, and you can go there and like get softwares and technology accessories, mobiles. I think Samsung is giving 25% discounts here, and like HP and laptops, and yeah, like HP is giving $260 discount, and Microsoft is giving some discounts as well. And we actually saw the Dell discount here, so up to 40% on Dell laptops. Now this one is the Apple website where they said they will offer the AirPods free with any laptops, and also discounted price. So yeah, the MacBook Air, which is usually like 1600, this one is here just 1439. Now the HP, they also have a student discount of 27% on their laptops, and different other picks as well, like so this one laptops 27%, monitors and accessories. Now I got $125 on this honey coupon code. So I just searched like Dell. You can search anything like there, they usually have most of the things. So yeah, and then I just copied the discount code here.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and I also hope that you liked the tips and tricks that I gave you to save some money on the laptop. I do try to find out any way to save some money, and I love to share those with my friends. So please like and share my videos so that I can bring more videos like this to you. Thank you. Bye.